focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you would like to see how I was able to create this look with just using a few items, please stay tuned and watch. And remember to please subscribe, like, comment and share, and I will see you next time. So the first thing I do when I'm doing my makeup is I brush my eyebrows to get them in the desired shape. Okay, that looks about right. My eyebrow pencil, which I got from the beauty supply store Pax. I got it from Pax, ladies. Pax is like a famous beauty supply store in London, and I think with this costs 99p. So yeah, I use the black one because I believe it gives me more of a definition.
Why you think I give no fucks? How come you don't fit?
Sorry if I make you sick at times. I've been switching countries, switching lines. Playing for me, now you switching sides. Had a couple lovers there for you, waiting for you while you cared for me. On the edge of hearing bad stories. Leave the bed and you don't have.
I just slightly fill them in like this. Move on to the next side. Sorry guys, if you hear any noise in the background, it's my fan because right now it is so hot. It is burning up in England. Okay, so next move is I get my spoolie and I brush the pencil. Like that. I do it on both sides. I normally make like a unibrow, so I normally connect the drawings of my eyebrows so it flows into one another like this. So see, I've got a unibrow. Right. Then my next step is I get my concealer, which is from Maybelline Fit Me, and I have the concealer in the shade 40. I get the brush and I just outline my eyebrows.
We're used to girls like me, and every no one I see, I can see right through the smile of yours. Cold stone, don't get me confused. I know you think that I'm alone, but my peace lies in the silence that I won't let you break. You think you got one up on me, boy, that's a big mistake. You wildin', I'm a simple chick, but I still I can take a little trip to the islands. Treat me regular, I put on them heels and I'm quick to remind you that you.
No one else invited, baby, jump right in. Let's take a trip out to the islands and just lay up. So baby, you know I know how to take us way up. Just the two of us, no one else invited, baby, jump right in. No rules, no plans, this is our parade. A private flight up for the night, gon' take us way up. Just the two of us, no one else invited, baby, jump right in. Let's take a trip out to the islands and just lay up. So baby, you know I know how to take us way up. Just the two of us, no one else invited, baby, jump right in. Since the day that I was born, I've been looking out for love, but never really quite found the one.
I like to swirl it on. And that was the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color 355 Coconut. And the one thing I can say about this foundation is that it is quite oily. So if you do have oily skin, I probably wouldn't recommend this foundation. People also apply foundation with their blendy brush, but I can't do that. So I just go around my face, and I kind of use my foundation brush like a paintbrush, literally just strokes. People like to dab it in, I like to stroke mine on. Another thing about the Fit Me foundation is that it dries very quickly, so it's a foundation that you have to use very quick. But I can say that it is, I would say medium to full coverage, you know. You get to always pull your foundation down on your neck. And then with the unicorn foundation brush in the center of my face, like this. And you see it slowly gets rid of it while giving you that fade out in the beginning of your brows.
Hey, hey, why you always take so long to call me? No, like you know every second adds up to a minute. Need 10,000 hours. We can be so in love, don't stop. I'm counting them up.
Using it, you have to use it quick, so there is no delay when you've applied the powder. You cannot let it bake. You can't let it just sit there, because if
Baby, the sound of you, better than a harmony. I want you off my mind and on me.
yeah, and I literally apply it to my lips. And what I like about the Santi Cosmetics line, well, their lip pencils, is that it's very, very bold. The colors are really rich. Because, you know, I've bought lip pencils before, right? And you can't really see the colors. So this is what it looks like. And then what I do, I go around the edges with the brown. then it blends in. And just to add a little bit of sheen, just a small amount, I bought this little lip gloss, and I just completing all those steps. I then get my mascara, which is from Rimmel London. So this is what it looks like. It's got medium bristles, and I literally just
I miss a family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would do the earth, one of them. Real killy dead to the end, dead from me start. Me real better them. Cause them no know when we a buy 3 sardine and the 1 pound of rice from shop. And them no know when we a get chased by.
So yeah guys, this is my complete look. That is it. Those are my natural lashes. You know, I mean, they're okay. I ain't complaining. They're not the longest, but I ain't mad. So thank you so much for checking in. This is my basic look. This is the look I wear. This is the look I wear to work. This is the look I wear to go out with friends. This is my everyday go-to look. It's very simple to create, and you can do it under 20 minutes, which is why it is my go-to look. If you have any questions about the products I've used in this video, they'll all be listed in the description box below. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed it, Mi Julsz, and I will be back shortly with another video. And if you have videos that you would like me to do, just leave them in the comment section below and I will do them for you. And please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, let's grow this fan. I will see you later. Bye.
Only stay mellow, that's a super team. Think I'm a flop, okay, see. Taking shots, I have you dipping like Kyrie. Niggas waiting on a kid like Kylie. Run up to Harlem and that's where you find me. I'm so Gucci and shorty, you might be just a fan on the low, but you like me. Take a nigga, you know he gon' wife me. Tell him okay, KK. This how you black on a white sheet. Nobody try me, my niggas will hype me. All up, money doing good, nigga, don't